Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson My Body. Fill in the blanks. The dash in the chest protects important internal organs such as the lungs and the heart. Rib cage. The soft part of the body below the rib cage is dash. Abdomen. We use our dash for clapping, waving and writing. Our hands. We feel the prick of a needle on the dash. Skin. We dash the fragrance of a flower with our nose. Smell. Choose the correct answer. Which of these form part of our torso? Chest and abdomen, chest and legs, head and abdomen, arms and legs. Chest and abdomen. Which of these form the upper limbs? Head, arms, legs, torso. Arms. The abilities to see, hear, smell, taste or touch are called senses, eyes, nose, tongue. Senses. This is system of communicating by using hand movements rather than spoken words. Hand language, sign language, symbol language, braille. Sign language. These are tiny structures that help us taste food. Taste buds, earbuds, tongue twister, nose buds. Taste buds. Next. Match the rows. Eyes, eyes, see. Ears, hear. Nose, smell. Tongue, taste. Skin, feel. Write true or false. We cannot tell whether there is ice or water in a dish without using our eyes. False. The rib cage protects the organs in the abdomen. False. Muscles control all movements of the body. True. Our neck joins the head to the rest of our body. True. The only use of bones is to give shape to the body. False. Answer the following questions. Name the external parts of our body. External parts: head, neck, arm, chest, legs. These are the head, neck, arms, legs. These are the external bodies. Name the 5 sense organs of our body. Eyes, ears, nose and tongue. Eyes, ears, nose and tongue are the 5 sense organs of our body. Name which is the largest organ of your body. Skin is the largest organ of your body. For this, we finished our first lesson, my body. Tomorrow we will see second lesson, my family. Thank you.